Namaste, I am Dr. Narayan Raju. I am a cardiologist in KIMS Icon Hospital, Visakhapatnam. Today I am going to talk about few queries which patients commonly ask and answer them for the convenience of the patients. Who is at risk of a heart attack? The common risk factors for heart attack are like patients who have diabetes. Diabetes is one of the most common risk factors. People who don't keep the sugars under control are at a higher risk. Fasting blood sugar should be maintained below 110 milligrams per deciliter, and postprandial sugar should be below 140 milligrams per deciliter. And people with high blood pressure should be detected early and it should be kept under control. Systolic blood pressure should be below 140 millimeters mercury and diastolic should be below 90 millimeters mercury. People with high cholesterol levels, especially triglycerides more than 150, and LDL cholesterol should be less than 100. People who smoke, people who have stress, who do not do exercise, and people who are obese, and family history of heart disease are the common risk factors for people to develop a heart attack. Then what food should we eat? We should eat a lot of fruits and vegetables in our diet, and we should also include whole grains. And we should eat foods like skinless chicken and fish, which are high protein foods with low fat content. Which food should be avoided? We should avoid foods like saturated foods containing saturated fats, like foods which are high cholesterol containing foods. Basically, we should avoid ghee, curd, junk foods, and processed foods. High salt intake should be avoided, and take adequate amounts of fruits and vegetables. Which oils can be used? Olive oil and canola oil are the best for the heart. Along with that, we can also use safflower oil, soybean oil, or sunflower oil. Oils to be avoided include palm oil and coconut oil. What type of exercise should we do? Aerobics exercises normally improve circulation, which improves your mood. And aerobic exercises also help you to burn the fat content. Examples of aerobic exercises include brisk walking, running, cycling, jogging, skipping rope, or even playing a game of shuttle or cricket. What are the things we can do to decrease the stress level? Exercise is the best way to decrease the stress. It also improves your mood, and then we should exercise regularly for at least 40 minutes a day, or even early morning or evening walk is good enough exercise. How to control stress? Exercise is the best way to control stress. It also improves your mood, and deep breathing, relaxing your muscles. You can just stretch and relax your muscles, and involving in your hobbies. Leave at least some time for your hobbies, 15 to 20 minutes a day. Hobbies like reading, watching a movie, or playing cards or board games. Sleep well, and you can do meditation or yoga to relax your mind. The next thing is, what is the ideal body weight? Ideal body weight is 50 plus 2 kgs for every inch above 5 feet. What are the tests to detect a heart disease? You can start with simple tests like electrocardiogram, which tests your heart rate and the rhythm of the heart and function. And echocardiogram is the test which is detects the function of the heart, and it also sees the function of the valves. Next test, after if ECG and echo are normal, we can go for the treadmill test, which is detects your which you normally you normally walk for around 5 to 10 minutes on a treadmill, and it detects changes like ECG, heart rate changes, or blood pressure changes. And your symptoms, if you are symptomatic while doing a treadmill test, it is considered as positive. And if anything is problematic in this, whether ECG or echo or treadmill test, we go for coronary angiogram, which is invasive test, which will be suggested by a doctor once these are any problem in your tests. When should you undergo the test? For the blood pressure, we should start early, and we should check blood pressure at least once in 2 years, starting from age 20. And weight and body mass index should be checked frequently during routine annual visits. Blood cholesterol should be tested at least once in 2 years, starting from age 20. And blood sugar levels should be tested at least once in 3 to 6 years, starting from age 40. And finally, what are the symptoms of heart attack? Pressure, aching, pain, squeezing in the chest or arms, which can radiate to neck, jaw, or back. Shortness of breath, cold sweat, indigestion, nausea. These are the infrequent symptoms. Thank you.